at El Grande Special Halo Halo. So, we're here in Buhay na Tubig, Imus. So, today is Mommy and Daddy's anniversary. So, we're eating here. So, we are eating halo halo.
Siomai.
And I finished my hot dog already. My Hungarian hot dog. So, we're just eating here since it's Mommy and Daddy's anniversary. But, our daddy's not here. So, we're just eating here. So, we have Kuya Sam, Uncle, Ate Malili, and Tita Jeda.
So, what can you say about the halo-halo in in Grande?
It's very good. It tastes good.
How about the siomai?
It tastes very good.
Okay. So, you want to come back here again?
Yes. So, if you want to go here, we will show you where to go. So, roll the clip. Go here, you can look for Ate Renalyn, Kuya Rico, and Ate Rochelle. So, we hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.
Please share and subscribe.
Yashika moves. Bye bye.